What's going on, everybody? My name's Andrew. I know it's been a while since we've last had a video, so we've been working on a few things for you. Today we're going to be going over a few clutch options we have for the S2000, both AP1 and AP2. So right here we have a few of our options, for S2000 drivers. Anything from an entry-level street driver to, a crazy driver. So a few different options depending on your driving style. We have a nice soft material like our Kevlars. Then we go up to our more aggressive material like our ceramics, and kind of our in-betweens on our fiber tubs. So it really depends on a driver preference. These are a couple things you can expect to see when you open up your Clutch Masters box. Begin with our heavy-duty pressure plate, along with our ductile iron casting for improved clamp load and durability. Move on to our notchy bearing that we prefer to use with our kits, just because OEM is definitely a better option than an aftermarket, along with our pilot bearing and our alignment tool. So depending on what clutch you go with, obviously the material will vary. This is our FX100 organic disc. One thing you'll notice in all of our S2000 clutch kits is we use the same enclosed carrier. So S2000 and Honda people like to redline their cars pretty high. So with the enclosed carrier, we can ensure that these springs won't pop out on you when you're shifting at about 9,000 RPMs. Alright, now for our Kevlar options, we offer it in a full face, which would be our FX200. We also offer it in a segmented pattern, which would be our FX300. Now these are not going to be a good setup if you like to beat on your car or take it to the strip, or if you're drifting the car. These are more for our high-powered show cars with an occasional spirited drive on a Sunday. But other than that, these are nice smooth materials, smooth engagement, and definitely a long life. Alright, now moving on to our ceramic options. We offer two setups, one being our FX400 6-buck sprung center, and then we offer our FX500, similar design but a rigid disc, no springs in the center. The main difference is going to be for cars with built rear ends and axles that can withstand the launching, and more of a street driver that has an aggressive driving style. So for both AP1 and AP2, we offer two flywheels. One being our 8-pound aluminum flywheel with a replaceable steel friction insert. And then we also offer our 12-pound chromoly steel flywheel with our black oxide. Alright, so moving on to our twin disc. We offer a 725 series setup for the AP1 and AP2, along with a push type conversion to get away from the flimsy pull type. We offer our twin disc in two options, one being our full race setup, which is going to consist of two ceramic discs, and then we also offer a street and race setup to make it a little bit more streetable, which consists of one ceramic and one organic disc. So last but not least, I'm going to show you our clutch lines that we offer for our AP1 and our AP2. The cool design about our AP2 clutch line is that it uses this nice little bracket which will tee off to your master, instead of just having it up there with zip ties. Alright, everybody, that's going to be it for our S2000 products. If you have any other videos you want to see us do, just send us a DM with requests. Stay tuned for the next videos.